Have you ever wondered if you can compile a Swift binary on your Mac that runs seamlessly on a Linux server? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to create a single static binary using Swift. I totally get it. The idea of cross-compiling can feel daunting, especially when you want everything to work perfectly without any extra libraries. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face the same challenge. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if it's possible to compile a Swift binary from an OS X computer that runs on a Linux server as a single binary without any dynamically linked libraries. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what do you need to know? The key is using the right target and ensuring that all dependencies are statically linked. This can be tricky, especially when the exact target value seems elusive. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that will make your cross-compiling process much smoother. To compile a Swift binary that runs on Linux, the user should first ensure they have the Swift toolchain installed on their OS X computer. This is essential for cross-compilation. Next, the user needs to open the terminal and navigate to the directory containing their Swift project. This is where they will run the compilation command. Now the user can compile the Swift project for Linux. They should use the target parameter to specify the Linux architecture. For example, they can use the string linux-x8664 for a 64-bit Linux system. To ensure that all dependencies are statically linked, the user should add the -static stdlib flag to the compilation command. This will create a single binary without dynamic dependencies. Finally, the user can find the compiled binary in the build directory of their project. They can then transfer this binary to their Linux server for execution. Fun fact, the Swift programming language was originally developed by Apple, but now it's open source and has a vibrant community across different platforms. Who knew coding could be so versatile? Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that it is indeed possible to compile a Swift binary on an OS X machine for Linux, but it may not be efficient. They explain that compilers convert human-readable code into a binary format, which varies between operating systems. The simplest solution is to build your program in the target environment, like a virtual machine. However, if you want to compile directly from OS X, they mention using cross-platform compilers, though these can be unreliable. A more effective approach is to utilize container technologies like Docker, which allow you to build your app once and run it anywhere without recompiling. Here's the tip I promised. Always check the compatibility of your target with the libraries you plan to use. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to compile a Swift binary that runs on Linux without any extra libraries. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips, and remember to share your success stories in the comments.